Water One is a proudly Indigenous-owned company dedicated to delivering dependable flow solutions with integrity and community values. Our commitment to quality means every project benefits from hands-on expertise, clear communication, and a focus on practical outcomes that protect your assets and your budget. Our pressure crack sealing service stops pavement damage before it escalates. By sealing fissures with durable, flexible compounds, we extend the life of roads, parking areas, and industrial floors. Customers trust our work because it prevents costly repairs and maintains safe, attractive surfaces year after year. In pipe fitting, Water One uses advanced trenchless techniques to restore or replace underground pipes without major excavation. This non-invasive approach minimizes disruption to landscaping and operations while ensuring reliable water and sewage flow. Waterproofing is central to protecting structures from moisture intrusion. We install proven membranes, coatings, and drainage systems on foundations, roofs, and terraces. Our straightforward, effective methods keep buildings dry, reduce maintenance needs, and guard against mold and deterioration over time. Through comprehensive site management, we oversee permits, schedules, safety, and subcontractors to keep projects on track. Our thorough planning and responsive service ensure work finishes promptly and within budget. With Water One, you gain a trusted partner committed to doing a good job every time.